Hello students, welcome back to my channel triveshaclasses. Students, in today's class I am going to teach you a very interesting topic. So, can you tell what? Okay, just have a guess. Okay. Can you say what I am doing? Yes, I am crying. So, related to this topic only, I am going to teach you action words. I'm going to teach you action words. So before explaining this topic, I would like to explain to you that what is action word. Action word is an action that you do in your daily life. Whatever you do in your daily routine, that is known as action word. जो आप action अपने daily routine में आप करते हैं, तो जो actions आप कौन-कौन से actions करते हैं बच्चों daily routine में? What all actions you do in your routine? You eat, okay? You drink, you sleep, you dance. All these are action words that you perform daily in your life. So related to this topic, now let's start our class. Let's move on to the class. Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so kids, as I told you that we are going to do action words in this class. So before starting my class, I would like to sing a beautiful song for you related to the action word. And you all also perform with me the same, okay? Na na na, I am so happy. Oh, so happy, sing with me. Na, 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 I'm so happy. Oh, so happy, sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Do it, students. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Yes, good. So this is my way of teaching in the class. I hope you liked it. So the action which I did, happy, I'm smiling. Okay, I am singing. And what action I did? I did clapping. Okay, all these are action words. Okay, so I will perform action for you and you all have to guess. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Students, what action I am doing? Tell me. Yes, very good. I am drinking. Okay, the drinking, that whatever the milk we drink, the water we drink, what the juice we drink, these are all the action words. Okay, very nice guess. A clap for you all. Okay, now next. Which action I am doing, students? Can you guess? Yes, I am eating. The food you eat, the lunch you do, the dinner you do, and the breakfast you do, that you eat, that is known as the action words. Now the next action I am doing, have a guess. It's very easy to guess, right? Yes, good. I am sleeping. When we sleep, that is also a action word. Okay, very good. Nice guess, students. Now, another action I will do for you. Okay. Guess what action I am doing? Yes, I am swimming. Yes, very good. Nice guess. Now next again. Yay, very good. Nice. I am flying. When you fly like a bird, the action that you do, you fly like a butterfly. All these are action words. Okay. Now, which action I am doing, students? Yes, I am moving my head. Okay, from left, right, left and right. The movement that you do of the head, it is also known as action words. What all the actions we learned today? We learned drinking, eating, clapping, singing and swimming, and even the movement of the head and sleeping. So the action that you perform in your daily routine, these are known as action words. I hope this video is very helpful to you students, and you are all are clear with your action words. Now from next time, if somebody asks you what do you mean by action word, it will be very easy for you to explain to them. You can explain them by doing the action which I taught you. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. So please do like, subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the further notification. Bye. See you all.